Hello everyone, and welcome to part 3, I can't believe I'm saying that now, to all my variants of Lightning McQueen. And just for clarification, well as you probably read in the title, this is for my 300 subscriber special. And to that I just say thank you all for all of your love and support throughout my YouTube career, and let me tell you, it has been, what a great one it's been. I've absolutely loved running this YouTube channel, and to be able to to get 300 subscribers, just something else. It's just unbelievable. And I hope you all enjoy this video. Welcome to my 300 subscriber special, and here goes nothing. So starting off, right on front and centre, we have just the standard Cars on Lightning McQueen. Nothing too special. We've got the 95 and a lightning bolt with red and black, I suppose, the Lightyear tyres. You got 3 window bars and another 95. A yellow rookie stripe. The Rusty logo. Blue eyes. Well, as most of them do have. Well, I think all of them have blue eyes. Side exhausts. Who to go for next? Who to go? Let's go for the Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. He's fairly similar to the Cars 1 in a way. Well, just got the 95. But this time it's incorporates a flame into it, which is definitely a change from the Cars 1. Much less contingency sponsors, and I think the Cars 3 one is a little slimmer too. Not sure how well you can see it, but I think Cars 3 is slightly slimmer. Of course, he got no rookie stripes because he's a 7-time. He's now 7-time Piston Cup champion. So I don't see why you would need that. Still, you got the medicated bumper ointment. Still 95. The Rusty's logo is also bigger as well. He's a cool character. And the World Grand Prix McQueen. Changes it up quite a bit, because look, Hudson Hornet Piston Cup, and of course honouring Doc Hudson after he died. 3 consecutive Piston Cups. What a legend Doc Hudson is. There we go, we've got grey rims this time, with a little red outline, still using Lightyear tyres. And much like the Cars 3 one, he still has a lightning bolt, which incorporates the flame as well. There's 95 and the World Grand Prix logo. The American flag, because freedom, hell yeah. You got fuel cap, powered by All in All and World Grand Prix. So I'm trying to go as quickly as I can, because even if I do go as quickly as I can, this will be a pretty long video, to say the least. Now this, Cars on the Road McQueen, definitely simplifies, the beloved design quite a bit. You're completely ditching the Rusty sponsor, and instead switches it up with this all new On the Road logo with Willie's Butte. Look at that, see, look, what did I tell you about, it being a lot more simplistic. Still, we got the red 95, with the yellow lightning bolt, red rims, just a 95 on the back. Definitely interesting, and not in the best way either. So as GRC Lightning McQueen adds some new colours into the mix with white and blue. You got the GRC logo. With the lightning bolt, a white and blue lightning bolt. Still got that classic 95 with that, sort of electric blue out, electric blue 95, Still got the red rims and light year tyres, and I'm not sure how well you can see it, but look, there's a lighter red which fades into a darker red the further back it gets, which is definitely a cool feature, if you ask me. Still got the GLC logo on the spoiler, and sort of this maroony colour at the back. God, can't believe I've done 5 cars already, and I'm nearly 6 minutes in the video. Unbelievable. There goes Cruising Lightning McQueen, who's the first and I believe only one to have white wall tires. And look, I've got much more. You got a 1950s design, 1950s-esque design, I should say. He's got the fuel cap, a white fuel cap. Normally it's grey, with the Kingsman bar style San Bernardino. Hey, I reference to the song Route 66. Only true car fans will get that, and I mean it. You got a nice relaxed expression, which I would be too if I had some 1950s clothes on. I guess I don't know. Still, here's a Cactus, a Lightning McQueen, who looks rather worried, and his lips are pouted. And you got cactuses on him, though I think they look more like boogers or bogies, whatever the hell you want to call them. I really don't care. And other than the expression and the supposed cactuses, he's practically just a standard carbon Lightning McQueen, so hey, nothing really too special there. So now here we go, we have the Rusty's Lightning McQueen. God, he's rather dusty. My fault. That's my fault for not dusting him. Still, switch up the design, and in particular the colour, like a lot. Because of course he's here inspired by Doc Hudson. He's got my one's got quite a bit of chips on it, but ooh, I love chips. Ooh, ham, egg, and chips. How delicious. Still, here we have the Cryptid Buster, Lightning McQueen. His expression is sort of unsure or confused. Still, he's got lights and a roof box and an antenna. Ooh, just to be fancy. He's got your Cryptid Buster logo with a camo on the side. Now we move on to the supposed Super Chase. The what's this variant called? I don't know. I think this is I don't even remember what this variant is called. I think it's I don't know. I don't know. I mean, look, I've got loads of characters' names to remember. Highly unlikely I'll remember them all. Even still, he's kind of slightly inspired by the Cruising McQueen, because of course he's a white oval, or semi-oval, I suppose. And on the side of lightning bolts and a 95. Got the fuel cap and no Kingsman bar style San Bernardino on the back. Oh, that's sad. Here we have the Drag Racer Lightning McQueen. Got flames on the side and sorry. Pistons that actually move. He also has a parachute. Now we have Dragon McQueen. Now you've got a dragon lightning bolt thing on the side with multi-spoke wheel and a very Japanese wing. He's got a Japanese character on his bonnet. Here we have Silver McQueen, which well, nothing's too special. It's just, a regular Cars on Lightning McQueen, just silver. Now we have Dino McQueen, which actually has a bit of texture to him. If that makes sense. Does it make sense? I'm not sure. And he appears to have a sort of glittery pattern and a sort of. Yeah, I keep dropping them today. I don't know why. Also, it's a sort of wooden spoiler, which is actually uneven, which I actually like. Not normally. It's not usual that I'd say that. And now I have probably one of my favourites, the Road Rumbler McQueen. He got spikes on his roof and metal. Well, I mean, I know he is made of metal, but some bare metal around the side, which I guess is like armour. He's got a very big chin. Mr. Clean? No, not really Mr. Clean. I don't know. That's it for the loose ones. Now we on to the packaged ones. Starting with this Bling Bling Lightning McQueen. I think he's, the same, well, identical to Dino McQueen. Only that he's got, different rims. And a slightly different expression as well. I like him. And on the other side we have Spin Out McQueen, which definitely differs from the rest, doesn't it? And of course, we've got barbed wire or a fence, all around him. He's got how do I do this? This is don't know how well you can see it, but he's got tyres here on his eye, which kind of look like glasses. What else is there? Ah, look at that. I told you, he has got fence. It is fence. Here we have an original 2006 Lightning McQueen. Dinoco Lightning McQueen. I mean, to be exact. He's nothing too exciting. It's, only the year it was made. That's really exciting. Here we have so I told you I keep dropping him, Ton McQueen, which is has a slightly different expression to the standard McQueen. Then we have, just Bogmouth McQueen, which, he's just a standard Lightning McQueen, da. I know I sound like a broken record, but, has to be said. Here we have the Disney 100, Lightning McQueen to celebrate the 100th anniversary of Disney. It's got silver 95 and a red lightning bolt. That's all there is to say on that. Nothing more needs to be said. Hey. What else? I nearly forgot. Well, just the standard Lightning McQueen, made in 2007. And now we have a vertical 3-pack with Bling Bling McQueen and Golden, Mia and Tia. And that's pretty much all there is to say on that. I hope you enjoyed that video, and thank you for making you for how do I put it, for subscribing and liking, and it's just overall been a great experience, making these videos, and of course your cars are my passion, and I want to share that passion with the whole world. I want to show everyone how passionate I am and how good of a reviewer I am, eh? Well, on that note, bye bye. Have a great day, folks.